up the Oak Grove or Danish Ranch Road, whatever you want to call it. We're chasing down a Nissan van that is high-centered in the road by the Yankee Doodle Trail. So we're going to get up in there in the old karaoke, see what we can do to get them out. I imagine we're going to get into a little bit of mud and maybe a little bit of snow. It's kind of a soupy, gooey mud up in there, and see where we end up. We'll take you along for the ride.
Going backwards, I was a little afraid it'll high center even more.
Think it will. I'm just thinking if we brought it back, it'll start up that front.
This is the way I came in.
Is that the way it came in? Yeah, we could do that easy enough.
Documenting my stupidity.
Hey,
We'd like to.
can happen to anybody.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's let me come up here. Gotta have to get a longer rope for back up. Parked too far away for that 20-footer.
Can you back it up?
Now I should be able to get it. Maybe. I might have to roll under more and get more involved in the job. Come on, baby. Just get on there.
And not holding, huh?
Yep. Works pretty dang good. You don't. Well, that wasn't too big of a deal. I had to hit that a little harder than I anticipated. He was kind of stuck on the lip of the road there with the frame rails were sitting on it, so wasn't worried too bad about damaging anything. He kind of messed up the little plastic trims, but we got him up out of there. It was a little bit of a project, but we just used the 20-foot rope and a factor 55 soft shackle, and I thought about maybe winching him out on that one just to bring it up nice and slow, but it didn't look like anything would get damaged by a little bit of momentum, so that's what we decided to try, and start off with a little bit of a tug and give him a couple good hits, and then give him a couple harder hits once we knew everything was going to hold together good. And don't really want to apply any more force and kinetic energy than you need in a recovery, and make sure you don't have a failure, but that was not too bad. So thanks for coming along for the ride. Well, it decided to snow again today. This is the third or fourth snowstorm we've had all winter, but hallelujah. What a sight for sore eyes. Well, here we are in southern Utah. Come out to do a little R&R. Imagine the kids will be out riding and spinning in this. Got all their machines lined up here ready to go.
Daddy.
Got camp.
What are you doing?
So we're having a good old time, with or without you. Look at what happened to our camp. It snowed yet again. This is the second night of winter camping in southern Utah in, what month is this, March?
Hey Dad, you know how big... Oh, that was so cool.
Right here above your head, boy, there's a big old chunk of ice.
Slide it like you were sliding it. I was pushing it, like push it off. Slide it, push it again.
There you go. Now go that way more. There's a big old pile. It's getting lighter now.